Artificial intelligence isn't just for scientists and developers, it's creating new opportunities for us regular folks too. Here are 15 new jobs that could be born or grow a lot thanks to AI, and that you could do too. 1. Specialized virtual assistant. AI answers. You manage the human touch, ideal for those who can organize, speak well, and solve problems. 2. AI content creator. Videos, articles, podcasts. You use AI to speed up creation, but you add your own thinking and style. 3. Translator plus AI editor. The AI translates, you check and improve. Perfect if you speak 2 languages well. 4. Social media manager with AI. AI suggests posts, but you adapt them to the right tone and manage the comments. 5. AI-assisted productivity coach. You help people use AI tools to work better, manage time, write, and get organized. 6. AI-powered sales specialist. You use smart tools to understand customers and improve sales. No code, just strategy. 7. AI trainer for small businesses. You teach business owners and craftspeople how to use AI to simplify their work. 8. Persuasive email writer with AI. AI gives you ideas. You write emails that really work to sell or communicate better. 9. iNewsletter curator. You choose, edit, and lay out AI-generated content for specific audiences. 10. Online course creator with AI. You use AI tools to create slides, videos, quizzes, your experience plus their speed. AI-powered freelance researcher. Information gathering, summaries, analysis. AI does the heavy lifting, you connect the dots. AI resume designer. You help people use ChatGPT and similar tools to write a perfect resume, and then you make it look good. Empowered micro-entrepreneur. Whether you sell on Etsy or do consulting, AI can help you do everything faster and better. AI-assisted content moderator. AI flags, you decide. Ideal for socials, forums, online communities. Personal AI consultant for seniors or beginners. You help people use digital tools well. Humans explaining, AI assisting. You don't need a PhD to step into the future. You just need the desire to learn how to use new tools. And maybe start today.